So you want to play Valorant and you have this problem that I'm showing on screen. Well, I have the solution for you. This is very simple. First of all, you have to press the Windows key and write CMD. So once you write CMD, you have to press run as an administrator, click it, and you have to accept the prompt that appears to you, and this window will open. So what do we do here? Okay, you have to go to the description and find these commands and copy one by one, paste it, nice, then paste the second one, double click, copy, paste, enter, double click, copy, enter, excellent, copy the fourth, copy the next one, right click, paste, and lastly the last one, copy, paste, and now you will be able to play Valorant without any problem. So if this video was helpful, please subscribe, like, comment, share, and see you next time. Easy way.